Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crafty Lefty. I'm Tanya and today is gonna be an interesting video because like I said, I'm gonna try and do more videos, but I have been so swamped with all my soap orders and whatnot. I've been trying to slot in a time to do this video or more videos for the month of December, which is supposed to be Christmas. And today is gonna be a little bit different. It's still kind of crafty, I would say. I'm gonna try and style my hair. Yeah, like I'm gonna try and style my hair to look like a Christmas tree. If that actually makes sense at all. But well, in the spirit of Christmas, I'm going to try and create some videos that would also entertain you guys during this season of love, season of giving, and yeah, basically Christmas is all about having fun and yeah, I hope it will get you guys into the festive mood. And we are like so near to Christmas, like what is the date? Okay. Oh my god, it's like 9 days. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment and don't forget to share. Share it with someone else who wants to try the same thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to be successful today. But anyway, I'm just gonna have fun and I hope you guys have fun watching the video. And if you want to try it, do drop me an email or DM my Instagram or yeah, basically share it with me. I really would want to see. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you all the stuff that I'm gonna use today. Alright, as you can see, I've got myself a whole lot of these garlands. I think it should be enough for my hair. My hair is long but it's not really thick, so I don't know whether it would stay up. Of course, main point here is hairspray to try and keep it up, a comb, and the decorations for my so-called tree. Got some bells and real bells. And I didn't attach the string to it because I think I would try and use these pins. These U pins that I dug out from my drawer. I think they're like more than 10 years old. All this stuff. Anyway, yeah, that's basically what I'm going to use today. watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been a lot of fun actually. And I was pretty excited to actually have my mom come in at the last part to do the finishing touches. Yes, and I think she did a fantastic job, as you can see from the video, the short video that I videoed the back of it and stuff like that. And I'm really grateful that she came to help me because I think I was kind of struggling because it's really hot, like as in I think the bathroom was really hot, so I was like really drenched with sweat trying to get my hair fixing, you know, when you're feeling really hot and drenched in sweat kind of thing. I don't know, personally it really affects my performance of trying to do my hair. But anyway, it turned out pretty cool. I'm really excited. This is absolutely exciting and so cute. And I have to admit that I can move my head quite freely. It could be it could have been a little bit more straight. Unfortunately, I'm not very good at getting stuff that straight, but this is supposed to be the star. I decided not to put it right on top. I want it to be here so that you know you can see it. And of course I got the green garlands, and I also got these really cute ones that have Santa Claus on them. This is red. This is kind of like an orange. Well, I'm someone who likes like multicolored kind of things, so I definitely did not want to go for just like all white, all green or something like that. Even the green has tinge of silver, and I don't know why, but I just got myself all these bells. It's like I've got these bells and I've got the real bells. So yeah, I really love my Christmas tree hairstyle, and now I don't even feel like taking it off, but I know I eventually will have to. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys actually give it a try, do drop me an email, or you know, you can post it up and you can tag me, whether it's Instagram at Soapspirational. You can also DM me, and if you have a YouTube account as well, you can also tag me there, Crafty Lefty. Do share. I think it's gonna be fun if everyone's gonna do this. You know, and it's not that expensive to do this as well, but it's a lot of fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and Merry Christmas in advance, and I hope I can actually post something really soon that's Christmassy to entertain you guys, because I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you love this video or like it, comment, and don't forget to share this video and see if it might bring a smile to someone's face, or it might get people inspired to actually do something fun this Christmas season. Until my next video, thanks guys, see you again, bye.